today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Facebook ads with Canva, following the 2025 guide. Let's get started and dive into the exciting world of creating engaging Facebook ads that can help you captivate your audience effectively. First, hop over to the Canva website. Canva is a comprehensive design tool that's not only user-friendly, but also incredibly versatile. Once there, type Facebook ads into the search bar. This is a great starting point, as it will showcase a variety of templates specifically tailored for Facebook advertising. Having these templates readily available saves you time and provides a professional base to work from. Take a moment to browse through the templates. This step is all about exploration. You'll discover a range of designs from bold and colorful themes to more minimalist styles. Choose a template that aligns with your brand's voice and the message you want to convey. This template will serve as the foundation of your ad, so it's important that it resonates with the tone of your campaign. Once you find a template that catches your eye, click on Customize this template. This is where the fun truly begins, as you can start tailoring the design to fit your specific needs. Customizing allows for personalization. Change the colors to represent your brand, adjust the layout to highlight your key message, and make any other modifications that align the ad with your campaign goals. After setting up the visual style, it's time to edit the text. Canva features straightforward text editing tools, enabling you to effortlessly modify font styles, sizes, and colors. Whether it's a bold call to action or a catchy headline, ensure your text is clear, compelling, and aligns with the objectives of your ad. Remember, the aim is to communicate your message effectively while engaging your audience. Next, let's talk about imagery. You have the option to click upload and drag and drop your own images into the design. This can be particularly impactful if you have high-quality product images or thematic photos that enhance the ad's appeal. Having unique visuals can set your ad apart and make it more memorable, so choose images that are not only eye-catching, but also relevant to your message. Finally, review your design to ensure all elements work harmoniously together. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, download your newly created ad and get ready to publish it on Facebook. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've created a compelling Facebook ad using Canva. With these ads, you're on the right track to engaging your audience more effectively. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you found this process straightforward and enjoyable. Happy designing.